It's time to start touring homes. So now that you have your pre-qualification letter in hand, it's time to start looking at homes. Of course, you want to look at homes in your price range. It might be helpful to take notes on all the homes that you visit. You're going to see a lot of houses, and it's going to be hard to remember some of the things about them. So you might want to take pictures or videos to help you remember each home. You want to look past the furniture in the home because it's not going to be staying. It might be helpful to imagine your furniture in each room. You also want to look past the furniture to the bones of the house. For example, test the plumbing by running the shower to see how strong the water pressure is and how long it takes to get hot water. Try the electrical system by turning on and off electrical switches. Open and close windows and doors to see if they work properly. It's also important to evaluate the neighborhood and make note of such things, such as, are the other homes on the blocks well maintained? How much traffic does the street get? Is there enough street parking for your family and visitors if you have a party? Is it conveniently located near places of interest to you, such as schools, shopping centers, restaurants, parks, and public transportation? Take as much time as you need to find the right home. Then we'll work together to offer a fair price based on the comparable homes in the same neighborhood. I'm Casey Serafino-Lee, your local realtor, helping you love where you live by understanding the home buying process.